Hey beautiful people. I'm gonna do a quick eyebrow tutorial in the parking lot, and I'm trying not to be weird, but okay. So I do get the question a lot how I do my eyebrows, and I literally just use this e.l.f. Ultra Precise brow pencil. Y'all, it is $4. $4. So you want to make sure it's flat, and how you flatten it is you just want to, don't do it in your car, but you just want to use a hard surface and you want to make sure it's flat. And then you just want to do strokes. Just like that. And just keep going. And then you want to just shape it. So you see I'm missing a little hair right there. I'm gonna give myself some hair. Okay, and then I'm just gonna follow the shape of my natural brow. Fill it in. Look to make sure it looks natural. If not, I'll add some more hair. But I actually really like how this brow turns out. Sometimes I do a little line underneath, sometimes I don't. I did off camera. See, just like that, just fill it in. Boom, 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 boom. And there it goes. Let's do the other one. Ooh. See? Ooh, it's hard to look up because I'm wearing contacts and they keep getting stuck up there. So I'm just gonna finish this off camera. Okay, so here we go. So you just wanna go in, do that, and that's pretty much it. The color I'm using is neutral brown. Sometimes I use the cool brown. Honestly, I just pick both and I just use a random one, but either or. So there you have it, guys. Get your $4 pencil, and I bought this from Ulta. You're welcome.